but I'm with Gen Z on TikTok. It's wonderful. I know all the jokes, I know all the lingo. And, you know, with the pandemic, I wasn't touring. I had to, and I make music on tour, and I get a live feedback from people, and this time I had to turn to the internet to get inspiration, so this is the song that came about from it. And usually I have a full band behind me, but we're gonna try it like this. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hear right back 'cause you got that. Why you always wanna act like a lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around, now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around, you got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you're leaving, then you leave me stressing. But I can't stay mad when you walk like that, no. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body